Hey, welcome back to edtech. Today I'll be continuing with my JavaScript string series. So today's lesson is about JavaScript string method substring, but with the ing missing. Haha, just kidding. There are two substrings. One was with substring that we did last week, and this one is the ing missing, so it's substr. Just remember it this way in a humorous way and you won't make a mistake while syntaxing or coding. Okay, so let's consider a variable string with hello exclamation mark. I want to consider variable x, which is where you're going to extract from string. So string dot, so you have to append with substr as usual, round bracket or the parenthesis as you call it, the first parameter, let's say 2, comma, and then the second one, let's say 3. Don't forget the semicolon as usual. So here the first parameter means from where the search starts or the extraction starts, and the second parameter is the number of characters extracted. This is the difference. This is what's happening in substr substring. Okay, so here in the string hello, the first parameter means it's 2. So that means it is happening at 0, 1, 2, the first L. So the extraction starts from the first L, and you have to get 3, you have to extract 3 characters. So starting from the first L, 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 O. So 3 characters, right? So let's look at the result. But before that, I need to call for document.write x. Look at the result. Yeah, LLO, 3 characters. Okay, let's say it's 4. So it will be one more included, O. If I say 5, that would include the last character, which is the exclamation. Okay, now if I just don't mention anything as my second parameter, so that means default is 0. No. Okay, here if it is not mentioning the second parameter means it starts from 2 all the way until the end. So that means starting from L all the way until the LLO exclamation. There you go. What if I write 2, 0? That means the number of characters to be extracted is 0, which means no extraction done. So you get a empty string. There you go, nothing. You don't extract anything because no characters, 0 characters. Okay, so if I don't write 0 means default, everything is extracted. There you go. Means everything is extracted, but from the point of extraction, which is index position 2. If I say 0, it will extract all the way from the beginning, all the characters extracted, because you haven't mentioned the second parameter, so by default everything is extracted. However, if I have a minus sign here, -2, or rather let's start with -1, so it will go in the reverse extraction. The search will go in the reverse direction. So first is, the last one is exclamation, so that will come up. There you go. However, if it's -3, so it's -1, -2, so it will be L. In this case, LO. Okay, how you calculate this is, so go from the reverse. So exclamation is -1, and then the reverse direction -1, -2, -3. So that's the first L in this case. And if you go from the reverse direction search, right? Since the second parameter is not written, so you extract everything after that. So LO I mean, because it's 3 characters. I hope you understood. -3, so exclamation 0L. So LO exclamation. In the reverse direction you need to go. And then extract 3 characters. So including the exclamation is LO character. Exclamation, I'm sorry. If it's 5, so it will go from exclamation -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 until E. LO. If 6, until H from the reverse. Hello. However, if I write the second parameter, let's say 3. So then it's different. So I go first until H and then I have to extract only 3, not all. So HEL. HEL. Hope you understood. Now, if instead of -6 I write -9, which is much more than the number of characters here, I still get the same result. However, if I write +9, I get an empty string. Why? Because as you know in mathematics, minus number is closer to 0 than the plus number. Like +9 is far away from 0, -9 is closer to 0. So based on the rules, here when I write -9, I get the number of characters. As I can extract the 3 characters, but if I do 9, it goes too much away from 0 and I cannot do the extraction. So this is all about extraction using SUB-STR, right? And also remember, let's say I write 1 here and I write 0. Oh, this one I already told you. 9 here. Then it doesn't make a difference. I get LO. Why? Because starting from first character, which is E, all the way until the end, doesn't matter how many number of characters. Even if it's more than the number of the string length, it doesn't matter. So this is all about SUB-STR. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, please do sign up and subscribe to my channel. Smash the bell button so that you get regular tutorials from my end. Okay, stay safe, stay subscribed. See you in the next lesson.